Hello everyone, welcome back to training. Today I'm going to explain what a Copilot agent is in simple terms and why it's such an important shift in how people actually use AI at work. Most people think of Copilot as a single assistant you ask questions to, kind of like a very smart chatbot. A Copilot agent is different. An agent is Copilot with a job. Instead of helping with anything and everything, an agent is designed to do one specific thing consistently and reliably. The easiest way to think about a Copilot agent is like a digital team member. You wouldn't ask your finance analyst to answer HR questions, and you wouldn't ask your HR partner to build dashboards. A Copilot agent works the same way. It's given a role, a focus, and clear instructions so it behaves like a specialist rather than a generalist. For example, you might have an HR agent that only answers questions about benefits and policies, or a finance agent that explains monthly results and variances, or an onboarding agent that helps new hires navigate their first few weeks. Each agent knows what it's responsible for and stays within those boundaries. What makes a Copilot agent powerful is that it remembers its role every time you interact with it. You don't have to explain the context over and over again. You also don't have to rephrase your question to get the right tone. The agent already knows how it's supposed to respond, what information it's allowed to use, and what it should avoid. Another key part of Copilot agents is that they can connect to your company's actual data. That might be SharePoint documents, internal guides, reports, or other Microsoft 365 content. This means the agent isn't just giving generic answers, it's responding based on your organization's real information. And it still respects permissions, so users only see what they're already allowed to access. In practical terms, this changes how people work day to day. Instead of searching through folders, emails, and documents, employees can ask an agent a direct question and get a clear, consistent answer. Instead of rewriting the same explanations or summaries every week, agents can handle that repetitive work automatically. Another important difference is trust. Because an agent is scoped to a specific role and set of data, it's more predictable than a general AI assistant. Organizations can define how formal it should be, how detailed responses should be, and even what it should say when it doesn't know something. That makes agents much easier to use in real business environments. So rather than thinking of Copilot as a tool, it's better to think as a platform for building multiple agents, each solving a specific problem. One agent might help executives prepare for meetings. Another might support analysts. Another might help employees self-serve answers instead of emailing teams for help. In simple terms, a Copilot agent is AI that's been given a role, rules, and context. It's not just answering questions, it's doing a job. And that shift from general AI to purpose-built agents is what makes Copilot truly useful at scale. That's what a Copilot agent is, and why it's quickly becoming one of the most practical ways organizations are using AI today. Well, that's all for today. Please click the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.